better way to spend the day when it is heat index over 100 than to be inside and open a Stitch Fix. Hi everyone, it's Barbara at BCsells. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my Stitch Fix unboxing and try on. We cut it open, I couldn't wait. Well, I didn't pee, but at least cut it open to spare you guys. All right, so if you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, you get 5 items. Oh, piece of jewelry. 5 items to try on. You keep what you want. You put the rest back into this envelope. It already has a prepaid label on it, so shipping is always free to you and for returns. And here's the information that's in your bundle. Styling fee, did I tell you it's $20? So here's a note. Let's see who my stylist is. Oh, I have Emma again, so I'm happy about that. You get this great style sheet so you can style your clothes according to this and see if it works out for you. And then you have the dreaded price sheet, so I'm not gonna look at that. All right, let's see what's in this bundle. Oh boy. I think I saw this on, I think Angela got this. Did she? Or maybe Citizen Sue. Maybe both of them did. But look how pretty the colors are. It's like a teal. Looks kind of flowy. Oh, what's this? I'm always nervous. I don't know why. I can always say no. Oh goodness, okay, so this is kind of a rust color. This is like a hobo type top. It's pretty cute though. It has, I think that is embroidering. I don't know if that's embroidered or if that's called crocheting. It's got on the sleeve. It's like a rust color. Oh, the fabric's really nice. Buttons, it's a little flowy, but we'll see. Could be really cute. Well, this is a pretty color. It's not navy. Oh, goodness. That's pretty. All right, the styles are all pretty much the same. They got the flowy bottom. They've got, I don't know, we'll see. Got colored jeans. Hope these fit. Oh, cut from the cloth. They have stretch. They feel nice. Looks like a straight leg or a skinny. No, that looks like a skinny. We'll see how that works. And let's check out this jewelry. And as you've seen, I put everything on the screen so I don't have to put my glasses on and off to take a look. Oh. That's kind of cute. Not sure I really need another silver necklace, but it's cute, so I'll try it on. Good possibility, depending on the price. Let's get to the try on. Okay, let's talk about this Daniel Rain top that is $68. They call this a blush. It looks more rust color to me. I don't know what to say about it because I'm not excited. As you can tell, I'm not excited about it. This is totally not my style at all. It is this is too flowy for me. Just trying to keep it real with you guys. This does not excite me at all. Now, you know, we all have different styles. It could be your style, but for $68, there's just no way. Maybe if it fit, I think it's a little big on me, so maybe if it fit better, maybe I would like it. I would like it if this was, like, this would really be cute if this was like straight, then I would probably love it. This flowy stuff is not me at all, typically. I mean, it's gotta be right. Watch, I'll get something that is flowy and I'm gonna fall in love with it. It can happen. So you don't know until you try it on. The sleeves are very loose. They're only 3/4. It is elastic. The detail on this, I have to say, is very pretty. Love the detail. I like the, is this embroidered or is this crocheted? I don't know. I like the V-neck on it. The buttons are a nice little added touch. The detail here, I mean, it's got great detail. It really does. I could see why it would be $68. It's not lined. There's no lining in it. You have the detail at the bottom. The fabric with the little, I don't know, is it dotted Swiss or is that, yeah, I think it is actually on here. So we know this is a no, so let's see how the rest of the box goes. This is a beautiful color, and its silhouette is nice, I have to admit. Okay, so I like it, okay. I like the cap sleeves, the neckline is good, the little detail in the front. The cut is good. Daniel Rain, $58. Okay, which is pretty typical. So I'm not surprised at that. But this is really a pretty blue. I love this blue. I think the fit is really nice. Okay, here's the catcher. It's 100% linen, dry clean only. And I know you guys are gonna tell me, well, I put that stuff in the washer or hand wash or whatever. No, I'm not gonna do it. I have so many clothes now that when you do your laundry, I have to lay things out, and I have a sofa upstairs. Thank goodness it's a leather sofa. That's where I hang all my stuff, because my laundry room, there's nowhere to hang anything at all. Washer, dryer, and then it's the furnace little door, like double doors, furnace, water heater, everything's in there. There is no room for anything extra. So I have to lay everything out. So I don't want anything else that I can't put in the dryer or at least machine wash. And this is $58, but it sure is pretty. I have to admit, I do like it. Why did it have to be linen? It's not wrinkled or anything, which kind of surprises me. So it's really pretty. Oh, and for you guys, everything in my box is made in China, just to let you know. And the shirt that I tried on first, that is 100% linen also, and it requires dry cleaning. Ooh, okay, let's try the necklace on. Okay, this had possibilities. It's $34. I mean, it's cute. The little charms, I think is what they call it, on here, and the little ball at the end. But it's just, it doesn't excite me for $34. So the necklace is definitely going back. So let's see if the pants fit and the last top. Okay, I know you wouldn't wear these two together. Okay, this is by 41 Hawthorne, 100% polyester, but this polyester feels pretty nice. I mean, it's a beautiful, beautiful color. I like the neckline on it. It has the little, I guess, layers here. I don't know what you call those. It's a little flowy, but not too bad. I like the cut on it. The back has this neat detail down the middle. It cuts in pretty far, so you'd have to wear a different bra with this. And this is a teal, but it looks more green, like more of a green family to me. It's cute. It's too big. It's definitely too big for me. I know when shirts like this, I need to go down a size. Shirts that fit tighter, more form-fitting, I need to stay in my size or go up a size. So this is gonna be a no. Yeah, it doesn't excite me to pay, what was it, $58 for it. Okay, let's talk about these jeans. I am not a colored jean girl. I don't wear jeans typically in the summer unless they're white or my denim, but very, very, very rarely. These are way too tight, way. They're $88. Look at this. I'm embarrassed to show them to you. They are so tight. I'm gonna do a quick spin, real quick. They look like they were painted on me. So these are definitely a no. I wanna give you some thoughts. Okay, here's the thing. I think my expectations are a little high. Maybe I'm not opening my mind up to these clothes a little bit more because I'm seeing other unboxings and I'm like, oh my gosh, I would love to have that. Oh, I love this, I love that. Request them and I never get them. And I keep watching to see if they are available for me to purchase, but I really would like to receive them in my box. The clothes I've received, I mean, they're nice and the quality is great with Stitch Fix, but I don't understand why I can't get more of my style. I kind of like a little light bulb went on today. So with Stitch Fix, I don't know if you guys know this, but every day you can go on to the app or online and you can log in and they do a, what do they call it? A style something. They call it a style something. But basically what it is, they will pop up on the screen an item for you to look at and you can give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. So the light bulb, I only pick things like if I want to receive them. Otherwise, I give it a thumbs down. I'm thinking, I think I'm limiting myself because maybe, and I don't know, maybe the Stitch Fix stylists only get what's in your profile of things you give thumbs up to. And sometimes you see it on the screen and you're like, nah, but you see it on somebody and you're like, oh, wow, that's really pretty. So then you're hoping it comes through again so you can give it a thumbs up. They also will put outfits together. If the outfit has something real flowy, kind of like this first top, I'll give it a thumbs down because I don't want to receive things like this. I mean, I want to receive things I want to purchase and wear and love. So, but my light bulb this morning went bright and said, okay, Barbara, don't give it a thumbs down if you don't like the color or you don't want that color, but look at the shape of it because there's no guarantee what color or print you would get. So this morning, I'm like, okay, I don't want that color, but I like that silhouette. So I'm starting to give it more thumbs up as of today. You don't get a whole lot every day, so you need to check on every day. So I'm thinking maybe that's the direction I need to go to get more of my style, I think. I don't know, we'll see. I mean, I don't want to give up on them. I mean, I like getting the box because the quality is good. I have gotten some great items from Stitch Fix. I'm just coming off of filming Trend Sense, so that might be where my headset is. So that's kind of my thinking. I don't know. I mean, overall, the clothes are very nice, but they're not, for me, worth the money. I won't reach for it. This is really cute. It's just not my style. I won't reach for it. I'll reach for something else and keep pushing it to the back of the closet. Okay, this entire box is $306, which isn't bad. If you buy all, you get a 25% discount, so that would be $76.50 off. So if I kept all 5, it would be $229.50. Okay, I have the Style Pass, which is like $49 a year, and they did extend it for everyone because of the COVID. So I'm hoping, so I don't have Styling Pass. So I want to keep getting the boxes, but I want to get some of the other things I've seen you guys get because they're so cute. But that's it. That's my Stitch Fix. I'm gonna return everything. I'm not keeping anything. This blue top could have been a keeper if it wasn't dry clean. And I'm not gonna throw it in the dryer. Not gonna do it. Or the washer. Nope. I know. I hear you guys, but nope, it's going back. I mean, it's gonna be right for the money. I mean, I think how much did I say this was? Was it $58? No, no thank you. Okay. Oh, and with all the sales out there, everybody's having a great sale. But I'll tell you what, if this was priced right, or if there was an item in here I absolutely loved, I mean, I've overpaid for things because I knew I would get a lot of wear out of them. The fabric, the quality was great, and I'm okay with that. But no, don't love anything here. Maybe you guys do. Maybe it's something you can request. There you go. Okay, everyone, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.